Happy Sunday.
Yay.
Oh, so it's been a good minute since we vlogged.
Yeah, well, we're essential, so we've been working nonstop throughout all of this, and I'm 5 months pregnant now, so...
Yep, time flies.
I know.
But today, we're going to reveal what the baby is to all of y'all.
Yep.
So, without further ado...
No, that one's mine. How dare you?
There's mine.
Huh?
So, in the count of 3, little
Right.
poppers she made. 3, 2, 1. Oh. I don't know if anyone saw it.
Thanks for putting it on me. I appreciate it.
It kind of like all went around her.
Everywhere around.
But yeah, we're having a boy. Yeah, she made the poppers. It didn't pop and then it flew right all on you. We're gonna do like a little slow motion of that. Doosh. Doosh. But yeah, we're having a boy.
Yes, we are.
Everybody was like saying it's gonna be a girl.
Every single person said it was a girl that saw me. Even people that just looked at me for 2 seconds told me it was gonna be a girl. But I had a feeling it wasn't because my body does the opposite of what I want it to.
Deep down inside, I knew it was a boy too. But we all were saying it's gonna be a girl.
My mom was a little, disappointed. Happy, a little disappointed.
She was happy.
Happy,
Regardless.
but the entire time while she was waiting to find out the gender, she
was so mad that we knew.
She was upset that we knew that we haven't told her yet, and then she was the entire time no, because I need a princess. I need to take a princess to do all the Disney stuff at dressed up as a princess. And in my head, I'm like, you're gonna be greatly disappointed.
I felt so bad, but it is what it is.
It is.
But other than that, it's been going pretty good as far as like the baby goes.
Yeah, everything's great. Baby doesn't stop moving, so...
It's very active baby.
Super active baby.
Yeah, she hasn't been able to get a steady shot. Like, they had to go by what the blood work said, not like the ultrasound.
We couldn't do the gender reveal with the ultrasound. We did it with the blood work, so I just figured might as well just figure it out then.
Yep.
Because the baby kept moving around so much throughout the anatomy scan that there was no way. That appointment took way longer than they needed to. So...
Yeah, and I've asked a bunch of people like suggestions and stuff that we should get. So if you guys have any suggestions, be free to leave them on the comment side. We'll be more than happy to take a look at them.
Yeah, it is our first kid and all. So.
So any suggestions, anything that you recommend? I know one of the things that a lot of people recommend is that the genie,
Yeah, the
diaper genie, because them poops be stinky.
Duh.
But
the newborn poops.
Yep.
Them soft poops.
That's what a lot of people, but we got a lot of stuff coming up in the next few months. We got our Disney trip coming in on the 28th, I believe, right? Of August.
The 29th. And that's if everything,
If everything starts, it should be.
If everything calms down with the virus, since there's a huge spike in Florida again. If everything calms down, then we'll definitely be going to Orlando, to Disney with my mom. So you guys can ride.
Yeah, she can ride the stuffs. But we might try to do like a trip, maybe not anytime soon, like the next few weeks, but maybe like before the end of the month we'll be in Universal and we'll go around, check out what's up. It's just so hot outside that it's not a good idea for her to be out in like that crazy heat.
I already have the pregnant waddle, so that's not.
Yeah, so it's gonna probably be a lot more local, but we do want to keep trying to do vlogs and try to keep you guys posted on what's up.
I mean, for sure we're gonna be up there in October.
Yeah, we'll definitely be up there in October. It's my friend's wedding, so it should be good.
There's glitter everywhere. There's confetti everywhere.
But it's fun.
Yeah. Right?
But yeah, that's pretty much the update. And
quick little update.
Yeah. Anything else?
Just Just the fact it's a little boy.
It's a little boy.
Happy?
Yep. You happy?
Yeah, I know you wanted a girl.
That's fine. I'm happy.
No, I just put
Well, remember to like, comment, subscribe.